Hello friends, in this video we will learn that how we can sort out such kind of problems of triple integrals by changing some coordinates. Like if the coordinates are given in the Cartesian system, so we can change in the circular, cylindrical or spherical coordinates. So let's start today's lecture. Well, if the problem is given to us and that is of triple integral, and if the limit is not given to us, that is in the form of bounded curves or directly the limit with respect to x, y and z is not given to us. So how we can solve out these kind of problems? Like the triple integration is given to us and the function is x square plus y square and having dx, dy and dz. And in the place of limit, one region R is given to you. And here some specification for the region R is given to you, that where R is what? R is a region that is bounded by x, y and z, such the limit of z will be from -1 to 1, and it is bounded by one curve that is of x square and y square is less than equal to 4. It is a boundary condition is given to you. It means that region is included the some limit of z as well as some plane, some equation of curve. Like you can see here the equation of a circle, that is x square plus y square is equal to 4, and the limit of z is already given to you. So these kind of questions are not able to solve out by putting directly to the limit. So as I told you in the time of double integral, that if the curve is given to you in the function, like the function is given to you here, that is x square plus y square, and the same function, the same equation of curve is given to you in the place of limit. So in that case we need to change your Cartesian coordinate to some specific cylindrical or whatever the spherical coordinates. Let's see how. So first of all, we can see the triple integration is given to you with respect to x, with respect to y and with respect to z, and one reason is given to you, R is equal to this, and specific limit of z as well as one curve, that is x square plus y square is equal to 4. And you can see the same curve is given to you in the place of function. So even when you got this kind of a condition, this equation of a reason and the equation of in the function both are same, so it means we need to change this system in the place of cylindrical or in the place of spherical. Okay, so let's see guys. So what I can do here, I will change this coordinate to cylindrical coordinate. So I will change this Cartesian coordinate to cylindrical coordinates. So I hope so that everybody can understand why I'm just taking a cylindrical coordinates, why I haven't taken these coordinates as a spherical. You know what is this? This is a circle's equation. This is x square plus y square is equal to 4. It means you know that it will be forms a circle, and here the limit of z is given to you. It means z is moving from -1 to 1. It means z having some, it is performing a role like a height. So it means this portion will be a shape of a cylinder, right? So you can see that it forms be a cylinder. So that's why I just use the Cartesian coordinate to cylindrical coordinates. So now see how we can change. So if we are changing these Cartesian coordinates to cylindrical coordinates, I already give you a lecture in this topic that first of all you need to substitute x is equal to r cos theta, take x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, and my dear friend z must be equal to z. Okay, and from this relation we know what will the value of r square, because you know by these two terms as x square plus y square, if you are adding, so you definitely got a one thing, that is x square plus y square must be equal to r square. And one more thing is given to you, x square plus y square is equal to 4. It is given to you in the reason. So it means I can write out the r square must be equal to less than equal to 4. Am I right here? So it means you can write out the modulus of r must be less than equal to 2. Am I right here? And one other thing is given to you that z is equal to z. It means the z having no effect. Okay, so what will be the limit? So first of all, you need to see that the r was given to you that having the three coordinate, where one was x, one was y, and one was z. These are known as Cartesian coordinate, and in this coordinates the limit of z was -1 to 1, that was given to you. And what about x and y? That is also given to you, that is x square plus y square and less than equal to 4. That was our previous limit. But now we change these Cartesian coordinates to polar form, to cylindrical form, that is r dash, that is change in the polar form, that having r, theta and z. So in r dash, that is our new region, that is our new limit, where we have the three coordinate, one is r, one is theta and one is z. Okay, so now, so first of all we will see what about r. R we have find out, that is modulus of r is less than equal to 2, so we can say that r must be vary from 0 to 2. You can write out r must be vary from 0 to 2. That is clear from here. And what about theta, my dear friends? So if you are making a cylinder, so it means your circle is moving here. So what about the theta in the place of circle? So always if you are making a circle, this means theta is reacting like from 0 to 2 pi. So in always if the circle is there, so our theta will react from 0 to 2 pi. Am I right here? And what about z? Z is already given, that is from -1 to 1. Clear? So this is our new limit. So now almost question is solved out, because the coordinates has been changed out, limit we have find out, so we will just substitute and we will find out the result. Now see, so let's see. So my dear friends, the question was given to you that was having triple integration, and the one reason is given to you, and z having x square and plus y square and dx, dy as well as dz. So we change complete system in the new limit, and we gives a name, that is r dash. And here, you know, if we have changed this system, so all the values you will replace here, and one Jacobian you will write out here, and then dr, then d theta, and then dz. This I already told you when I explained, if we are changing our Cartesian coordinate to cylindrical, circular or spherical, so if we will change the limit, so you need to write out this complete function here and one Jacobian here. And what was the Jacobian in the place of cylindrical coordinate system? We already talked about this thing. You can just watch a previous video, so you will learn. So my dear friends, here I will just substitute all the values. Z will remain same, z, and x square plus y square, that is equal to r square. Clear? And if we are changing cylindrical part, so Jacobian will equal to r. We learn this thing. So now your this limit will becomes r dash having triple integration, and you're gonna write out z and r square, and this is equal to r square into r, and having dr, d theta and dz. So further you can write out the integration, triple integration, and z, and having r cube, dr, d theta and dz. So now the first come first serve. So dr is there, so it means we have to write out a limit of r. So what was the limit of r? We find out r will move from 0 to theta will from 0 to 2 pi, and z was -1 to 1. So I will just substitute all the limits here. Okay, I will just write out all the limits here. First from r will be from 0 to 2, and what about theta, that is from 0 to 2 pi, and what about z, that is from -1 to 1. So all the limits you will substitute here. Now it's a time to find out the integration. So everybody knows how we can find out integration, so easily you can perform, and the answer will be equal to 0. And direct result you can just learn that it is limit is given to you -a to a, and if your function is a odd function, so you know this thing, r cube is given to you, this is are reacting like a odd function. So directly you can just write out answer will be 0, or otherwise you can find out the integration firstly with respect to r, then with respect to theta, then with respect to z, and you can substitute the limit. So in these kind of a question, just need to remember the one thing, and that is the question. Just focus on the question. The function which is given to you in order to find out the integration, the function is same as the part of the region at the part of limit. The both are same, so it means you need to change these Cartesian coordinates to cylindrical to spherical. And if the limit of z is given to you, so it means this Cartesian coordinates definitely change to cylindrical because it forms a cylinder. Okay, so this was the question that is based on the Cartesian coordinate to cylindrical coordinates. So I hope so that you understand. So thank you so much.